Look. Look, Bella. Don't show the camera you're crying. Isabella. Why are you not having it right now? Look at you. Look at this one. Hello. Say hi, I'm Emmy. Say hi, I'm Bella. Oh yeah, Isabella's not having it. Here at Subway. About to get my Subway on. See the sign? Yo, can you chill? Cause you're gonna break the truck.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, baby. Isabella, you don't want your friends to see you crying, right? You have your pizza and you have your cookies. Why are you crying? Don't cry, Mama. The Lakers are down at half to the Grizzlies, 50-60. Hopefully they come back. I'll get at you later. Peace out, my dudes. My 4 or 5 subscribers. Hopefully I get more. See ya.